Okay, next we have the conceptual design. So let's talk about the conceptual design. Based on the initial requirements, identifies components, connections, and responsibilities. So when you see a requirement document and you want to read it, then you have to identify your main requirements, like what the system should do, what main entities would be involved, and what should be the connection of each entity to other entities in the system. So first of all, we have to identify all the components, connections, and responsibilities. What are the main components, and each component is connected to what other components, and what are the responsibilities of each component. And then we express through conceptual mockups. We can use notation like in the previous slide I showed you. We can use mockups for those components, like this is component A, and this component A has the responsibility like this, and this component A is connected to other B, C, or Z. Then wireframe often used for user interfaces. If you want to build a software system for mobile application, so you can definitely use wireframes, or even for desktop, the wireframes can also be used. Can be hand-drawn sketches or computer tool drawing. Purpose of mockups, clarify design decisions with client user. So you basically translate the requirements into design, and then that conceptual design in the form of mockups, wireframes, or hand-drawn sketches, you can discuss these diagrams with your clients. Show major components and connections. Reveal missing parts, flaws early. So if in case you identified all the components and some components are missing, you can easily track it, and your client says, oh, you have missed this major component, you need to add this as well. Components have responsibilities, tasks they must perform. So no technical details yet, those belong to technical design. So in conceptual design, we do not talk about the technical design. It's all about the conceptual design. And conceptual design, we can do anything for our own understanding and to discuss the idea of the project with the clients. And we can even use hand-drawn sketches, or even wireframes, or even CRC cards. But I will talk about the CRC cards, and which we will be using in this course as well, which is a very, very important technique. So let's move forward. We identify the main components like lot, house, rooms, and then the connection, how rooms are accessible, and then responsibilities for each of the component, like the house provides power, water, support, and the kitchen stores appliances, food provides space, power, water. So conceptual design exclude technical details. As I already told you, that we are not going to talk about the technical design yet. This is just a conceptual design. No writing, no plumbing specifics yet. Size of electrical panel decided later on in technical design. So these are some of the details which will be covered later on in the technical design. In the conceptual design, we want to clarify our concept about the project which we are going to build. So best practice, always from conceptual design first. Clear conceptual design, better technical design, higher chance of correct software build. Now this is very important. This is the foundation of the whole software architecture and design course. If you read the requirements well and you translate those requirements into conceptual design first, so the clear conceptual design will be, the better will be technical design, and then you will accurately translate that technical design into a real software. So it is very.
Thank you so much for watching this. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. I regularly share valuable lessons, practical tips, and step-by-step tutorials to help you improve and grow. And if you are serious about mastering software design and architecture and want a complete structured learning experience, so I have created a full course that includes detailed lessons, assignments, quizzes, and downloadable downloadable workbooks to help you practice and apply what you learn. So if that sounds helpful, just check the link in the description below and enroll in the course today. I would love to see you inside and support you on your learning journey.